we came to Panjim, we realized it was layered with history. There were these beautiful buildings, and it was such a beautiful town that it was meant to be a festival city. We started the first year as an experiment, and the government of Goa very kindly let us access a building that was closed called the Adil Shah Palace, which was the old secretariat. And so we then started working towards how that could be converted into an art space. And subsequently every year we've taken on one disused building in Goa and seen how it can become a cultural venue. The idea is not to say whether we're restoring or conserving. We're trying to create alternate spaces for culture. The question is, how can a city become a venue for the arts? With the old PWD complex, the location was beautiful. There was a rivulet at the back. It was a low-lying building. It's been the public works department since the Portuguese times. What made it really exciting was that we could convert that into almost a quasi-cultural center for Panjim. I think cultural venues make a city livelier. They make them happier. The old GIM was initially started by the Portuguese as a hospital for charity. It kind of moved from there to become the home for the Goa Institute of Management. It had the layering of the old Goan Portuguese architecture with the GIM architecture. It was like a document of history because you could see the layers of architecture that had taken over the building. So what we did was we kind of accentuated those layers. At some places you can see the roofs. The roofs are like many years old. And in some places you can see roofs which are new. That's the contrast, that's the development that has happened in the building that becomes a marker for history in Goa. And we then layered that with art to see how it works. So wherever we can, we try and keep the history so you understand that, oh, this is an engine room, or was an engine room, or this was the blood bank. Every time we see a beautiful building, we're like, what's happening there? Can we go and do the festival there? But yeah, let's see what happens next year. Fingers crossed, it'll be maybe another building, maybe another space.